Right now you are watching this video that is present continuous in action, and today you will master it. By the end of this video, you will be able to make sentences like these. I'm studying English right now. She's watching TV. Are you listening to music? So let's begin. The present continuous tense is used for actions happening now or around now. Let's look at the formula first. Subject plus is MR plus verb ing plus object. Now let's look at the examples. I'm reading a book. She is cooking dinner. They are playing football. Moving on to the affirmative sentences. I am learning English. He is eating lunch. We are working on a project. Moving on to the negative sentences. But first, we look at the formula. Subject plus is MR plus not plus verb ing. Now let's look at the examples. I am not sleeping. She is not watching TV. They are not studying now. The next up, interrogative sentences. But first look at the formula. Is MR plus subject plus verb ing. Now let's look at the first example. Am I disturbing you? Is he playing football? Are they working today? Let's practice with a short conversation what we have learned so far. The first scenario is at home. What are you doing? I'm watching a movie. Are you enjoying it? Yes, I am. Here is another one. At school. Is she writing the assignment? No, she isn't. She's reading a book. On the phone. Hey, are you coming to the party tonight? Sorry, I'm not. I'm working late. Here is another one. Friends, are we playing football tomorrow? No, we aren't. We're going shopping. Scenario number 5. At the market. Are you buying vegetables? Yes, I am. I'm also buying some fruits. In the office. What is the manager doing? He's talking to a client. At the park. Are children playing? Yes, they are running and jumping. Scenario number 8. In the kitchen. What are you cooking? I'm cooking biryani. On the bus. Is this bus going to the city center? Yes, it is. Please have a seat. At the library. Are you studying for the exam? Yes, I am reading my history book. Now it is your turn. Repeat after me. I'm speaking English. I'm not sleeping. Are you learning English? Great job! You just learned the present continuous tense with examples and dialogues. Keep practicing every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English in Seconds. See you next time.